Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about promoting your brand as stories. Let's get started. With more and more people using their mobile devices, Facebook Stories is a great way to reach your audiences so that they can discover your brand. It resembles Instagram Stories. There are 10 million Facebook users who are using Facebook Stories every day. It can greatly benefit your business to use the Stories feature, where most people enjoy viewing other people's stories. People share their life events every single day as stories, since it's only available for 24 hours. This means that when you share content as Facebook Stories, your followers can view the stories that you have uploaded, and they can be aware of your promotions for 24 hours after uploading the content. You can measure your Facebook Stories engagement. Under Insights, there's a section where you can view the story insights, but you have to turn this feature on first. This is important as you can determine who are your viewers, who are reacting or sending replies, and what type of stories are working for your audiences. To make the most out of Facebook Stories, it is best to use your mobile device to create stories. There are more features available on Facebook mobile app compared to using your Facebook web app. On your web app, you are limited to creating a photo story or a text story. Stories are organic. You can grab your followers' attention when you use stories. It's a non-invasive way of promoting your brand and your products. You can show creative ways that people can use your products on your Facebook Stories. As they discover how it can help them, there's a possibility that they will decide to purchase products from your business. Also, sharing images or videos when customers purchase your products is a great way to entice potential customers to buy from you. It shows that you have regular customers who are satisfied with the quality of the products that they purchase from your brand. You can use Facebook Stories to sell products. You can upload the media such as an image or a video of the products that you are selling as stories. While your followers are browsing the Facebook Stories of their friends, they might stumble upon the products that you share as stories. Some potential customers might be interested in your products, and as they discover your content, they can easily engage in your story. Also, they can make a purchasing decision when you respond to their inquiries right away. You can show the behind the scenes of your business. Connect with your followers on a personal level as you share stories that you don't usually post and share as your content on your page. You can share images or videos on how you prepare the products that you are selling, your business events, or special footage that your followers will be happy to view. Doing this will gain your viewers' trust, and they're more likely to check out your page, learn more about your brand, and later become your customers. Promote stories using ads. If you want to target more audience outside your network, you can use ads to promote your content as Facebook Stories. This can help your brand gain more followers and increase brand awareness. People who are not aware of your brand yet can discover your content as they browse their Facebook Stories and stumble upon your ad.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.